Well, we would typically spend 2 months in Europe. We would just travel around and rent apartments and do a lot of hiking and just a lot of cultural activities.
So starting in September, we were walking mountains, 12 miles Mammoth Lakes, Sedona, to now I'm relegated to a wheelchair that I can just barely walk. Stage 1 melanoma diagnosed, mole was removed, thought it was cured, went to the doctor, diagnosed with stage 4 melanoma. So the stage 1 that was supposedly cured had spread through my entire body.
I thought, how about an RV? Because then everything that he needs is all in the vehicle. And we went and saw a dealer the next day.
This is our 2018 intent, 30R. The goal of the Ability Equipped line is to bring freedom to people who aren't experiencing freedom anymore, people who are homebound, people who watch their friends and their family go out and have these amazing experiences but can't have them for themselves, and we want to offer that to them. So freeing them to the RV lifestyle is what we're trying to accomplish here.
So this one's equipped with the Ricon lift. It's got a ROM roll-up door. When you get within the coach, it has an automatic bed that tilts up and tilts down. It's got a roll-in shower. The bed's at 23 inches off the floor, plus it's got a large toe kick underneath of it so the customer can run or roll his wheelchair up to the bed and get into the bed. The rear bathroom's been opened up so they can move freely. It's got a 32-inch aisleway so they can move from front to rear and be able to basically enjoy the life up front just as what they would in the backside of the coach.
He got excited, and so it was thrilling to have him share this dream that we can still do things together. We can still see and do and enjoy.
I put off and said, I'm going to wait till I retire, or I'm going to wait till I'm finished my software business, or do whatever, and then I'm going to start traveling. Well, guess what? I wouldn't have been able to do it. If you think of doing it and you can do it, do it.